Hi guys, this is Pavitra. So today let's learn about logarithms. So if we have a number n, then it can be represented in two forms. One is exponent form, which can be represented as a to the power x is equals to n. The second one is logarithmic form, which can be represented as log to the number base a is equals to x. Here, in these two cases, a as base, x as degree, and n is the number. So, for a logarithmic form, we have some conditions. The conditions are like a should be greater than 0, n should be greater than 0, and x should belong to rational number set. Also, a should not be equals to 1. So, I said that a should not be equals to 1, right? Why a should not be equals to 1? Do you have any idea? So, let's consider a logarithmic form as log to the 1 base a equals to x. Let x represent any variable. Then log of 1 to the base a is always 0, since log of 1 is 0. But if we consider a equals to 1, then it becomes log of 1 to the base 1, which should obviously be equals to 1, since log of x to the base x is always 1. These two expressions are properties. We'll learn this in the coming videos. So if you observe here, two statements of same expressions are having different values. So can two values exist for the same expression? No, right? Therefore, it is a contradiction, and therefore a is not equals to 1. So now let's consider type 1 problems. The problems which are based on basic formula. So the question given here is log of 9 by 16 to the base x is equals to minus 1 by 2. Then there is the value of x. So this is given. Let's represent this in exponent form. So how did we convert this? We learned that if any number to the base a is equals to x, then this can be represented in exponent form as a to the power x is equals to n. So similarly, we represented this given question in the same method. So how can we represent x power minus 1 by 2? It can be represented as 1 by root x is equals to 9 by 16. How did we write this? Any number raised to the power negative is equals to 1 by x to the power n, means it can be represented as reciprocal. Then from this, root x is equals to 16 by 9. Then what is the value of x? It is 16 by 9 whole square. So 16 square by 9 square. 16 square is 256 by 81. So that's the answer. Therefore, value of x is 256 by 81.